It is important that you be able to count in multiples of any number, in steps of any number. So generally speaking, if you want to count in steps of, say, a number called n, so here, this n here is what is called a variable. This n could be any number. For instance, like here I'm saying counting in steps of 1, counting in steps of 2. I'm using n to generalize all the scenarios, and this will make sense at the end of the video, so don't worry too much. But imagine I say, okay, start from 1 and count in steps of n. Well, so you're going to form a sequence of numbers. Now, what is going to be the next number in the sequence, given that you're counting in steps of n? Well, the next number is going to be 1 plus the step. So it's going to be 1 plus n. So 1 plus n. What about the next number? Well, the next number is obtained by adding n to the previous number. So 1 plus n plus n. So 1 plus n, which is what we have, plus n. And the next number is 1 plus n, which is this number, plus n, and so on. So that's just the basic idea. Now we're going to move on to actual step sizes, actual numbers, instead of using n. So how do we count in steps of 1? Well, let's start from 1 and let's form a sequence by counting in steps of 1. So what's going to be the next number? Well, to get the next number, we're going to add the step size. So we're going to add 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. To get the next number, we add 1. So that's 3. So to keep, I just continue adding 1 to get the next number. So the next number is going to be 4. The next number is going to be 4 plus 1, which is 5. The next number is going to be 5 plus 1, which is 6. And so on. So next we're going to count in steps of 2. Let's start from 0 this time. Okay. The next digit, or number rather, is obtained by adding 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. The next digit is obtained by adding 2 to the previous. So the next number is obtained by adding 2 to previous number. So 2 plus 2 is 4. The next number is obtained by adding 2 to 4, which gives 6. The next number in the sequence is obtained by adding 2 to 6, which gives 8. The next number is obtained by adding 2 to 8, which gives 10, and we can continue forever. How about counting in steps of 5? Let's do that. Let's start from 5. Because we're counting in steps of 5 or multiples of 5, we are just going to keep adding 5 to get the next number in the sequence. So since we're starting from 5, to get the next number, all we have to do is add 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. The next number is obtained by adding 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So I'm going to continue in that fashion. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. And we can continue forever.